To minimize their environmental impact, manufacturers worldwide are prioritizing sustainability and setting ambitious net zero targets. A culprit of energy costs and consumption, compressed air is often used throughout the manufacturing process. It's also frequently a quick win opportunity to increase energy efficiency, reduce costs, and optimize maintenance tasks. By enhancing compressed air consumption use across machines and processes, you can jumpstart saving energy while reducing CO2 emissions. How? With Compressed Air Manager, a monitoring solution that provides real-time visibility, alerts, and machine trends to facilities, enabling energy and cost optimization opportunities. Combining Emerson's smart airflow sensors and edge-enabled software and hardware in a ready-to-go solution lets you empower your workforce with data-driven decision-making to improve maintenance procedures, pinpoint potential leakage areas, set thresholds, and generate real-time alerts. Enhance knowledge across your organization by taking advantage of edge-enabled technology and open standard communication hardware sensors. And quickly realize savings through a pre-engineered software solution that reduces time to scale while lowering the technology adoption barrier. Compressed Air Manager reduces compressed air consumption by 10 to 50% on average, delivering more efficient air usage by identifying opportunities for energy optimization and reducing losses, all the while lowering maintenance and total cost of ownership. To meet their aggressive net zero carbon emissions goal, Colgate used compressed air monitoring to reduce compressed air consumption by 15%. Moreover, they specified the Aventix Smart Airflow Sensor for all new machines and expanded the complete hardware and software package to monitor additional utilities such as electricity. Their success story is just one example of what compressed air consumption can do for you. Are you ready to jumpstart your energy savings journey? Emerson makes it easy.